Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we are showing you the tie-down adapters from Tusk for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're talking to the Can-Am Maverick X3 owners out there. If you have one of those machines, we've got a cool little accessory from Tusk. It is these tie-down adapters. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but Can-Ams actually come from the factory with tie-down anchor points already on the machine in the front as well as the rear. So they have a good, easy location to tie everything down without having to go around any of the components on the machine itself, because they obviously don't want to damage the finish. And those shipping points are still on your X3. So it gives you a good, easy, accessible location to get your tie downs on there. So no more having to go around any of your suspension components, your A-arms, anything like that. Once you install these, you've got an awesome location. So on those shipping points, it's simple. You take these adapters, these are made from 1/8 inch powder coated steel, nice black powder coated finish. You just drop it on there, and then once you've done that, it will start to swivel so you can get the exact angle that you want. You've got your slot here on the bottom for your tie down to hook onto. Simple as that. So if you're looking for an easy location to tie down your machine, get it nice and secure without having to go around any of the components on your side-by-side, these will do that for you. So if that is something that you would be in the market for, you got to grab some. Simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You can buy these in a package of 2 or 4. So if maybe you feel like you only need them for the front or for the rear, you can buy just a set of 2. But if you want it for the front and back, you can buy a set of 4 as well. As always, orders over $75 ship free. To know if these are going to work for your machine is simple. Just enter the year, make, and model on the product page. You'll be good to go. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.